Myntri ka Ministry of Education udharmendra pradhan ula Bthah ya katanat padekmi jo ka Ministry bakan shim ya sienjam banle AA hakabaya de baka jingdawa ban thung ya Vice Chancellor thymmai jong ka school ba North Eastern Hill University NEHU. Haba pentep ya kani Myntri ka sorkar jala ubaderu unongelam ka BJP uba AL hek ula ong ba Myntri ka Ministry of Education ula jubab hakabaya de baka shiti kaba ula pha haga khandai trik jemang. Uni Myntri ka sorkar pedeng ula pentip ru bayakan kakam la pha syakatanat pedekmi na kabenta banle yak badan kam ula benram. Uba hek ula pentip ba ula pha da kashiti sha uni Myntri ka Education na kabenta bentuk larlem hakabaya de baka jingdawa joka North Eastern Hill University Students Union NEHU su barka khasi Students Union NEHU unit ban weng no mardor ya uni Vice Chancellor bamenta UPS Shukla ban thung bujli no dakiway. Habakan taj ye kijingken no baka sorkar pedeng kam shim la shim kia halor kenrum kenram kibaya day bat ka school ba NEHU uni Myntri ula ong ladai kila shim sting shisha hakabaya day bat kanika phang kin jubab satya yakashiti jonga.
Minister so. Okay. From Dharmendra Pradhan, Minister of Education, Government of India. Dear Shri ALHG, thank you for your letter number ALH/MPER/1/2025/11 dated 3rd April 2025. Enclosing herewith a letter from the President Secretary of North Eastern Hill University students regarding removal of the present Vice Chancellor and appointment of the new Vice Chancellor of North Eastern Hill University, Syllad. The matter has been sent to the concerned department for appropriate action. With regards, yours sincerely, Dharmendra Pradhan. I have written a letter and also forwarding the letter of the North Eastern Hill University Student Union, NEHU, and also the Khasi Student Union, NEHU unit, regarding the removal of the present Vice Chancellor and the appointment of the new Vice Chancellor of North Eastern Hill University, Syllad. So the letter already sent it from my office, and this is the response has come today. Actually sent it on the 29th April 2025, but I have received today. And that the reply has come is like this: the matter has been sent to the concerned department for appropriate action. Okay. All office, any office, all department, they have also their committee to look after the nitty-gritty of the department. Cannot be abruptly or decision be taken as much as meant to. The decision has to be taken in very appropriately,
So, sir, there are also voices saying that the central government is taking the NEHU issue very lightly and ignoring. What would you think, sir?
If they have taken very lightly, they will not reply to my letter.